Oh, hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Crazy D's Equipment. So today I got something special that just came in I want to share with you. And never mind that thing over my shoulder. I'll tell you about that when I'm ready. But otherwise, let me get the dock and let's get the new project in. Well guys, here we go. The first Oliver tractor on Crazy D's Equipment. I haven't had an Oliver on the lot in years. So this is kind of a neat ad again. I just love to listen to this tractor run. It has, and I believe, now I looked up on Tractor Data and Tractor Data says it's a Wisconsin, but I always thought these had Continentals in them. But so you guys have to tell me in the comments, right? Because I'm not the correct answer, because I'm not really an Oliver guy. You all know I'm a Case guy. So, but God, that engine just sounds so smooth and it runs so nice. I really like the cackle that a Case engine gives off, but man, that's a beautiful sounding motor in these things. It's an Oliver 88 Wheatland. It's got a loader on it. I don't know what brand the loader is, but it envelops the tractor by quite a bit. The doc's already done his inspection on it, and there's really nothing we got to do to it, but for one issue that I'll share with you here in a minute. And then also we have a back rim on the other side that is rusted and is cracking, and I might need to consider replacing it, but if this is going to be a fairly cheap tractor on the lot, it'll probably be $3,500 with the loader and everything on it up on the lot, so I probably won't bother replacing the rim. But there you, I mean, God, I just love listening to this tractor run. But anyways, let's bring the dock over and let's discuss the issue that we have to figure out. And then I'm going to ask you guys what you think you would do here.
Well, guys, so Crazy's been showing you this thing, and the main problem we have with this thing is the belt for the fan is broke. It's actually, I think it was missing when it was on auction, so I got to figure out how to get in here and get a fan belt put in it, and that's the only thing I found with this thing. I mean, like Crazy D said, it runs beautifully, and even the power steering you can run with your pinky. So
guys, here's my real quick thing right now. This loader envelops this entire tractor, and it's been put on in such a way that to have the dock replace this fan belt correctly, it's going to take him a day and a half to 2 days to pull this loader off enough to get into where the fan belt goes. So I had an ideal. So guys, you can tell me if I'm wrong here, but I had an ideal, and you guys have heard of these adjustable link belts, to where all you got to do is pull, and then you can hook the belt and stuff. Now all that belt has to spin is the fan and the alternator. There's nothing else pulling on that belt. So I thought about ordering in some of those and just having the dock thread that belt in and wire it in place, that, or pull it in place, so that way we don't have to take this entire loader off and to get in to just put a simple belt on the tractor. I mean, I that seems ridiculous. I hate that, and this is maybe me being greedy or what, but I hate to pay the dock freaking 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours of labor to put a fan belt on, instead of just the 35 minutes to an hour it'll take him to thread that one through and lock it in the fan, and the alternator spins, and bunka bay, bloop, out the lot it goes. So,
Well, Crazy, do you know, I agree with you on that, because spending all that time on this, just put on a silly little fan belt when I have several other projects out there that need to be gotten to, that pulls me away from getting to them as well. So
that's our ideal. You tell us what you think down in the comments. Will that work? Will that not work? Is that going to let us down? You know, or you guys not think that's going to hold up to the stress of being turned or being spun by the motor and stuff? So let us know down in the comments. Alright guys, so this is another ploy to my Oliver watchers. Like I said, I'm not really much of an Oliver guy. So it has the raisable hitch on the back with the trip for hooking up equipment and stuff. And I had somebody ask me, can this be converted into 3-point? So I need to know, I would like to know from you guys if that can be. So if I have a customer ask me, well, can I put some 3-point arms on that and make it 3-point? I can give them an honest answer. No, that's a bad idea. Or hey, that'll work. Yeah, I've seen it. It's been done before. So that's just another real quick ploy to my Oliver guys. Let me know about that, would you? So guys, that's the Oliver 88. We kind of went over the points that I wanted to show you on the thing. Again, let me know. Please answer all those questions for us down in the comments. I really want to know what you guys think, and so we can make our decision on which way that we're going to go on this thing. Also guys, just real quick, you can now become a member of the channel. You just go to the channel's page and click on join. There's a lot of cool perks that come along with that, and I will be changing those perks and adding perks and doing all kinds of stuff here in the future. Also, we're getting really close to the 10,000 subscriber mark, so as soon as we hit that, I will be offering some Crazy D merchandise for you guys, for those of you that would like something. Otherwise guys, I really appreciate you coming in. If this is your first video or your 500th video of Crazy D's equipment, thank you guys for coming in and watching this one, and we'll catch you next week.